belief is that in the last 30 years of coaching, although there have been small changes, it's only now that something monumental, in fact two things have come at once that are absolutely astonishing and monumental for the future of coaching. We're going to be looking back at 2014 and 15 and 16 and 17 and recognising it one day as a pivotal point for professional coaching and the delivery of effective coaching and the measurement of coaching in the years to come. That's quite a big statement, and what qualifies me to say that? I've been in coaching now for pretty much 20 years. I'm visiting professor of coaching at Birmingham City University, and I help to lead and direct applied research at a PhD level at the university. I've also written quite a lot of books, so these are just some of the English titles of some of my books. They're also available in many other languages as well. So why would I say that in 30 years the most monumental thing to happen is happening now? Well, the first part of this is about neuroscience and about neuroplasticity. This isn't a new science. Neuroplasticity has been around for quite a while, and its understanding has changed monumentally in the last 10 or 15 years. Now that we know that the brain can continuously reshape, reconnect in order to do new jobs, not just within children up to the age of 6 or so, but in fact throughout our lives. That's pretty interesting, but it becomes interesting when we know that a particular facilitative coaching style, I'm choosing my words very carefully, a particular facilitative coaching style actually rocks the brain, if you like, the prefrontal lobe of the brain, and it creates the neuroplastic change in the brain which can lead to transpersonal cathartic type changes in individuals. Other modalities don't appear to do that, but certainly facilitative coaching done in the right way does. So that's pretty exciting already. But then I said two things have happened at once, and the other thing is psychoneuroimmunology. What this appears to be showing is that not only is coaching a modality for this prefrontal change that occurs and changes in neuroplasticity that goes back into cortical memory and becomes anchored in our states in the way that we are, but also that that can change our psychological makeup for health. Yes, for health. There are a number of ways of measuring the change. One of which is just simply to take a blood test and to analyse the blood and see whether there are changes in things like cortisol. Now, there are 3 different types of human psychology that have been mapped so far, indicating that 1 is a healthy mindset for health, and that 2 are not healthy for health. And in fact, we can actually predict what the unhealthy people are going to die of, pretty much, in terms of various types of health and diseases that they get, and also how long they're going to live. The interesting thing is, and the link with coaching is, that if you can convert the 2 unhealthy groups into the healthy mindset by rewiring the brain neuroplastically, using facilitative coaching in the correct way, that could, and the evidence seems to suggest this very strongly, that could actually lead to people having healthier, longer lives. It's exciting stuff. This is why I say that in 30 years, probably since Tim Gallwey started his work with the inner game of tennis and brought really the whole concept of modern day facilitative coaching to the world, that in 30 years the most important thing to happen is happening right now. And if you want to be part of it, sign up. I will give you free information, free videos, free access to papers, both popular papers, academic papers, peer review papers as they come along from the university and other associate universities. And you can be part of that for nothing. If you want to do more, you can come on workshops, you can come on retreats and learn with us over the next 3, 4, 5 years. We'll be learning together and really putting to bed some of the key elements of what exactly are the elements of this, quantifying them and bringing coaching to a whole new professional level forever. Be a part of it. Sign up now. Thanks for listening.